Hey everyone, in this video we will see Bauer battery charger light indicators. What red, green and blinking light mean. Solid red light. The charger is plugged into the power outlet and is in standby mode. No battery is being charged. On some Bauer charger models, a solid red light may mean charging. Solid green light. The battery is fully charged. You can remove the battery and store it in a cool dry place. Blinking red light. The battery is too hot or too cold to charge. Wait until the battery returns to room temperature. Charging will start automatically when the battery reaches a safe temperature. Blinking green light. The battery is charging normally. Leave the battery on the charger until the light turns solid green. No light. The charger is not getting power or the battery is not inserted correctly. Try these steps. Make sure the charger is plugged into a working outlet. Reinsert the battery securely. Check the charger for damage. If there is still no light, the charger may need to be replaced. Thanks for watching.